Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our new topic, general introduction, composition, chemistry, and classes of general methods of extraction and analysis, bioresources, therapeutic uses, and commercial applications of volatile oil. What are these are the compounds and what is their importance? We would like to discuss in this topic. Now, first of all, we would like to understand what is their objective. The objective of this course unit is to study the introduction of tannins of pharmacognosy and the types of tannins and their classification, chemical tests, their example, and their physiochemical property of the tannins. In this chapter, not only we are going to introduce about tannins and their uses, but also we would like to understand about their isolation process, which is very important. What are the learning outcomes in this chapter? Students were able to understand the knowledge of natural products of tannin structures, the structure types of types and classification, the property of tannins, pharmacological reactions of tannin, color reactions, and chemical tests. Now, first of all, tannins. Tannins are the one of the most widely used occurring compounds found in natural substances. They are actually secondary plant metabolite, which is synthesized by the help of cyclic acid. Cyclic acid pathway we have discussed in cyclic acid pathway in previous class, and they have also been long times as astringent substance. First of all, what is astringents? Astringents means these are the compound which are responsible for causing contraction in our muscles as well as form bad protein PPT. So they are using as a astringent substances. Tannins are used as a astringent substances along with the have capacity to combine with the tissue protein and precipitate them. There is also definition of astringent. They are therefore used as a medicinal use for allied purpose of mild antiseptics. So they are using as a mild antiseptics. Mild antiseptic means they causes contraction at wounds and they cause contraction in their blood capillaries. So they are not allowed for penetration of bacteria and viruses into the wounds. So they are called as a mild antiseptics. They are also used in the treatment of diarrhea and check small hemorrhages. Hemorrhages means cut wounds and apart from the bleeding is occur. Commercially, they found in extensively applications in leather industry. It is also widely used in leather industry as well as skin of animals. When the skin of animals are treated with the animals treated for prevent the protifications. Chemically, they are called. They can contain the complex organic substances which is polyphenols. Polyphenol means they having phenolic structure in tannins. Therefore, generally they are having ortho-dihydroxy groups of phenyl ring. Normally, they are have high molecular weight, and unlike alkaloids and devoid of nitrogen, mean to say that in their structure polyphenolic compounds are found. Polyphenolic compounds, they are responsible for acidic reaction in the tannins. Tannins are colloidal solutions with the water and non-crystalline substances. In the solution, they show acidic reaction due to presence of phenol, because phenol having OH group and phenol always show uh, acidic reactions. So they are soluble in alcohol, glycerin, dilute alkyl substance, but practically insoluble in organic solvent except acetone. Mean to say that tannins are never soluble in organic solvent except acetone. Tannins exhibit some specific characteristic reactions like solutions of tannin precipitate gelatin and alkaloids. Solution of tannins precipitate gelatin and alkaloids. Tannins are precipitated by the salt of copper, tin, and lead. They are precipitated by strong potassium dichromate solution and chromic acid solution. They shows the color reactions with the iron salts. That's why we are using in chemical reaction. They shows color reactions with the iron salts, ferric chloride, and giving much black color. And also they provide with the reaction with the ferric potassium ferric cyanide with the ammonia give deep red color. Gold beater skin test, specific test for tannins. Gold beater skin test, it is a prototype of untanned fresh skin of animals, and it is obtained from the membrane from the intestine of ox. The membrane is treated with the HCl, rinsed with the distilled water, and place the tannin solution for 5 minutes. So after they are washing with the distilled water and putting into the ferric chloride, ferrous sulfate solution, it gives a brown black color is developed on the animal skin due to presence of tannin. Because in animal skin tannin is found, so tannin gives bluish black spot on the animal skin. Tannins are precipitated by the 2% solution of phenazone. The tannin solution being concentrated with the sodium acid phosphate reaction. Now, what is the classification which is seen in the tannins class? So they are broadly classified into two categories on complex of their chemical structure. They can classify in two parts: hydrolyzable tannin and condensed tannin. What is hydrolyzable tannins? As the name indicates, these tannins are the hydrolyzed with the acidic enzymes quickly and product to hydrolysis and give the gallic acid. Mean to say that in hydrolysis, a hydrolyzable tannin, after hydrolysis, they gives gallic acid or gallic acid. On dry distillation, gallic acid and other component are get converted into pyrogallol. Pyrogallol is also found, and they respond to ferric chloride solution, producing blue color. Blue color is found, for example, the example of hydrolyzable tannin are galactone in Nutragal and rhubarb, amla, clove, chestnut, all these compound having egalic acids. And we can see the structure in this PPT. In gallic acid, we can say there are three OH group and one C double bond OH group is found. And in catechol structure, only two OH group, pyracatechol and pyragallol. In pyragallol, there are three OH group only, not COH group. And egalic acid, we can see they are going to form a bridge between two rings. Now hydrolyzable tannin. In hydrolyzable tannin, myrobalan, the example of hydrolyzable tannin, myrobalan, Bahara, Arjuna, tannic acid, amla. These are the example of hydrolyzable tannin. And what is their chemical sources? In harda, myrobalan is also called harda. It is a synonym name of myrobalan. Dry mature fruit of Terminalia chibula, Terminalia chibula family Combractaceae, and it gives chibolic acid. Gallic acid is found, and their usage is astringent, stomachache, and purgative agent, and used in Trifla churna. Behra, Varda, yeah, Behra. In this plant, it is dry fruit is used. Terminalia bellisca, family Combractaceae. It is also having gallic acid, chibolic acids, and the uses are same. Means astringent, stomachache, and it is also found in Trifla churna. Arjuna bark. Arjuna actually stem bark of Terminalia arjuna. The exam in competitive exam, this question will be asked in Arjuna which part is used. So Arjuna bark is used, not leaf. Only in this plant, the stem bark is used. It having gallic acid and beta cetosterol. It is cardiotonic. It is the specific property is cardiotonic. It is also used in congestive heart failure case and hypotensive also. Tannic acid. In tannic acid, it is fermented oak gall, which is grow in young twig of the Cuas infractoria. And they having gallic acid and glucose astringent for mucous membrane. Tannic acid is also we are using in case of asthmatic patients and in child case in sometimes some problem in childs, that time we are also using tannic acid. And amla Indian gooseberry. Amla, it is a dry well fresh fruit of Ambelica officinalis family Euphorbiaceae, and it is a rich source of vitamin C, and it is also having psyllium and tannins. It is used as a diuretic, laxative, and it is also using for improvement of eyes and gum bleeding. Now, second part is condensed tannin. In condensed tannin, they are also called non-hydrolyzable tannins or phlobatannins and pro-anthocyanidin. They much resistance to hydrolysis. They are related to flavonoids because of they form via derivatives of flavones like catechol or flavone 3-ol. Their ring structure they are found unlike the hydrolyzable tannins on the treatment with the enzymes or mineral acids. They are polymerized and decomposed into red color substance flobafins, and they are insoluble in water and indicate the typical brownish red color in many plant or and drugs. On dry distillation yield a catechol, mean to say that condensed tannins are never soluble in water, and they yield in form of catechol tannins with ferric chloride. They give brownish black, sorry, brownish green color, and they are distributed in different part of plants: green tea and hemalis leaf, cinchona, cinnamon, and cherry bark, malfern rhizome, coca and erica seeds, and pale and black catechu contains this type of tannins. Depending upon the source of tannin, various modified methods are used for extraction of methyl alcohol, hot water acetone, and ethyl acetate. Acetate are common solvent for extraction of filtered and under vacuum pressure. Condensed tannin are of following types of their classification. Ashok bark. In Ashok bark, dry stem bark of Saraka indica, family Leguminaceae, it found catechol and ketosterol. It is used in urine tonic and oxytocic. Urine tonic in case of renal stone, we are using this substance for increasing sorry, uterine tonic means they are responsible for causing contraction in uterus, and oxytocic is also same substance which are responsible for causing contraction in uterus. Black catechu. In black catechu, aqueous extract of heartwood of Acacia catechu family Leguminosae, and uh, acatechin or quercetin is found. They have astringent for boils, skin eruptions, and mainly used in the commercial purpose. Black catechu and pale catechu, which is also called gambier. Uh, they are dried aqueous extract of heartwood. Sorry, dried aqueous extract of leaves and young shoots of Uncaria gambia family Rubiaceae. And active constituent is catechin and catechinic acid. They having astringent and treatment of diarrhea. Means pale catechu is used for astringent and treatment of diarrhea. Pterocarpus. Pterocarpus, it is dried juice of plant Pterocarpus marsupium, family Leguminosae. This plant is very important for competition point of view. And ketonic acid and quinored and K-pyrocatechin is found, and it having hypoglycemic and powerful astringent property. Mean to say that in condensed tannin, Ashok bark, pale catechu, and black catechu, and pterocarpus. All these plants in this plant in this chapter in tannin, pale catechu and pterocarpus both are very important for competition point of view. Now there is another category that is called pseudotannins. Means they are not such a separate group of tannin, but they treated as a subgroup because they don't obey gold beater skin test and they having low molecular weight. When we are going to start this chapter, we have talking about two things. What are two things? First, uh, all tannins having high molecular weight and they obey Gold-Beetle skin test, but pseudotannins are low molecular weight and not follow Gold-Beetle skin test. Apart from them, they having chlorogenic acid in coffee and Nux vomica, ipecacuanha, yeah, epicuanic acid in ipecacuanha, and catechin in coca are the example of pseudotannins. The detection for chlorogenic acid is carried out by extracting with the drug in with the water. Now, next category after then tannins is volatile oil and triterpenoids, triterpenoidal drugs. These are the drugs which are having odorous, means they having pleasant odor, and volatile principle of plant and animals are known as volatile oil. So sorry, plant and animal sources are known as volatile oils. As they evaporate when exposed in air to the ordinary temperature, they are also called ethereal oil. What they are called ethereal oil. They represent an essence of active constituent of plant, hence they are also called essential oil. Mean to say that volatile oil having two other names which can be asked in competitive exam, ethereal oil and essential oil. Both are the same things. Chemically, they are derived from terpenes and they have oxygenated compounds made up of isoprene unit. In isoprene unit, we can say C5H8. Their chemical formula is C5H8 and are usually mono sesquiterpenes, diterpenes, and empirical formula as C5H8, C10H16, C15H24, C20H32, respectively. Mean to say that hemiterpene, monoterpenes, sesquiterpenes, diterpenes, triterpenes, tetraterpenes, and polyterpenes. Volatile oil are soluble in alcohol, ether, and other lipid soluble substance, but practically insoluble in water. In case of tannin, they are soluble in water, but volatile oil never soluble in water. They are usually lighter than water, so they are float on water. They possesses characteristics odor and they have high refractive index. Most of them are optically active. Most of them are optically active. They are the some very important points. Means volatile oil practically insoluble in water, having high refractive index, having optically active compound, and they have secreted in special characteristics such as duct cell, cytolysogenous and lyocytogenous glands and trichomes. Mean to say that in plant part we can see in duct cell, in we can see in cytolysogenous gland, we can see in lysogenous glands, and they are also found in some trichomes. So commercially, sorry, they are commonly found in the species of Leviaceae, Rutiaceae, Pipriaceae, Gingiveraceae, Umbelliferae. In umbelliferous plant, most of the umbelliferous plant having volatile oil. They are present in entire plant or any part of plant. Mean to say that they may be available at any part of the plant. Now, what is their extraction method of volatile oil? Because when we are going to isolate the volatile oil, we should follow some protocols. In volatile oil, they are extracted with the help of steam distillation. Volatile oil always extracted in a best manner by the steam distillation. We can also isolate from solvent extraction. We can also use some mechanical method. But in steam distillation, we can isolate complete volatile oil which is present in plant part. What is hydrodistillation method? In hydrodistillation method, it is comprises of water distillation process, water and steam distillation. We are using water in round bottom flask RBF, and we are going to keep the drug in volatile oil drug keep in Clevenger apparatus for specific purpose. Uh, in case of volatile oil, we are using Clevenger apparatus. In Clevenger apparatus, we are going to keep the drug into the Clevenger apparatus, and then we are going to start steam distillation process under temperature 60 degree or 60 degree, or some drugs in case 90 degree for 2 hours. And after that, we will get volatile oil in our round bottom flask, and we are going to isolate. Same process in hydraulic distillation method. Look here. In steam distillation process is used for extraction of volatile oil from herbal drugs. The fresh material is subjected to hydrodistillation. In case of leaf drug, air dried subterranean part are extracted by steam distillation method. The enfleurage method, another method is enfleurage method. In enfleurage method is extracted for delicate perfumes. Means sometimes some drugs which are unable to exhaust the in high pressure or high temperature. So in that case, we are using this one method for delicate perfume. How we are going to do? The fresh flower petals are mechanically spread on the layer of fatty material. First of all, we are taking a slide. On this slide, we are apply paraffin, and after that, we will keep the petals of leaf on the paraffin layer, and we will keep allowed to keep for 48 hours. After that, we will change the position of leaf, and we will keep again 48 hours, and after that, we will isolate from the paraffin liquid, and we will get the delicate perfumes. In this method, same this method in this method, the fresh flower petals are mechanically spread on the layer of fatty material and allowed to imbibe, and exhausted petals are replaced by the fresh material. The process is continued till fatty acid is saturated with the volatile principle, which are then extracted with the lipid solvent. UCL method. In UCL method, what would we do? In this method, for extraction of citrus oil, how we are going to extract? Wherein oil cells are in with the rupture mechanically using pointed projections, and by twisting the raw material over them, and clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction mechanically and manually. So these are the methods for extraction. First method is hydrodistillation method, and we can also say steam distillation method. Another method is enfleurage method and UCL method. In solvent extraction method, what would we do? In solvent extraction, we are going to keep the drug into the solvent, particular solvent, allowed to stand for 1 or 2 days, and after that, we are going to isolate from the particular solvent. That is called solvent extraction method. Now, some general properties of terpenoids. What is the general property of terpenoids? Since the terpenoids occur only in volatile oil, they are normally colorless liquid. So they have pleasant smell. They are insoluble in water. They are practically soluble in alcohol and organic solvent, and sometimes fixed oil. They are readily volatilized in presence of steam, and most of they are optically active, having high refractive index. And terpenoids are normally contain one or more double bond. In the additive compounds having some kind of halogen and nitrosyl compound are found, they get oxidized by the oxidizing agents. Isolation of terpenoids. Volatile oil obtained from the first step of the distillation contain a mono and sesquiterpenes. During fractional distillation of volatile oil, monoterpenoids hydrocarbon get distillated first, and followed by their oxygenated derivative. The physical method and chemical method for treating by sodium bisulfite. phenylhydrazine, and Tyndall reagent, and Grignard reagent. So distillation under reduced pressure and subtype of chromatographic method for separation and isolation method. Proper adsorbents are used for the chromatographic elutions suitably. Now we will see some kind of some drugs in these drugs, how we are going to isolate the particular active constituents. So in case of methanol, what is their biological source? In methanol, they are monoterpenes. Here you can say monoterpene alcohol obtained from variety of mint oils and peppermint oil. Their biological source, it consists of freshly flowering tops of Mentha piperita and Mentha officinalis family Labiatae, and granular substance or crystalline substance, crystalline with the peppermint taste and odor, freely soluble in alcohol, chloroform, ether, yeah, you can say organic solvents. So mean to say that mentha, you can say mentha, or we are going to obtain in a crystalline form of peppermint taste with the odor of freely soluble in alcohol. How we are going to extract out and extraction and isolation? Take accurately weight quantity of porous powder of Mentha peperita, part of just before flowering. Extract the peppermint oil by the water distillation method. What is water distillation method? We are going to take water uh, in the round bottom flask, and we are going to keep the Mentha peperita leaf into the Clevenger apparatus in powdered form, and after that we are going to extract out. Separate separate the oil and allow to cool. Allow to cool. Separate the oil after the 2 to 4 hours. When we are going to see, there are of two layers are formed. One layer is water and another layer is Mentha piperita, and we are going to transfer from round bottom flask to separating funnel and allow to cool the substance, and then we will see the crystals of methanol, menthol is formed. They will separate out by the filtration process under reduced vacuum, and collect the crystals by centrifugation and recrystallize the methanol from the acetone and any other low boiling point solvent method. What is the identification and analysis? Identification, how we are going to identify these compound? We can identify with the help of TLC method. In TLC method, what would we do? In TLC method, first of all, we are going to prepare sample preparation. Sample preparation has been done. We dissolve 1 mg methanol in 1 ml methanol. 1 mg menthol in 1 ml methanol. And we are going to prepare silica gel G slide with the help of pour method. And after that, we will allow to stand for some time into the hot air oven, and after that we will remove the slide, and we are going to mark with the help of capillary uh, to the sample preparation, and allow to keep into the mobile phase, which is pure chloroform. It is the mobile phase, and allow to keep for uh, running the mobile phase on towards on the stationary phase for up to 80%, 75 to 80%, and after that we are going to we are going to remove from the mobile phase and allow to dry for some time, and then we are going to spray the detecting agent 1% vanillin in sulfuric acid, uh, and heat the plate 110 for 10 minutes in hot air oven. Then we will see the spot, yellow spot is found on stationary phase, which is we can say that is the spot of methanol, and we are going to check their RF value. The RF value is 0.48 to 0.62. Now next one, Citral. In citral, the biological source of citral. Citral are monoterpenes, aldehyde found in variety of sources like lemongrass, lemon, and orange peel. The Symphoban fluosus, that is lemongrass, and families Gramiaceae, 75 to 85% of citral found in this drug. Citral obtained from the natural sources of mixture of two geometric isomers, geranyl and neryl. Property. Zerenil and Neril both are the light oily liquid with the lemon odor. Citral are practically insoluble in water but miscible with the alcohol, ether, and benzyl benzoate solution. Yeah, you can say organic acid substances. How we are going to extract out this compound? The fresh plant material is hydrodistilled to obtain lemongrass. First of all, the fresh plant material is hydrodistilled to obtain lemongrass. Purification is done by the fractional crystallization method. To the total oil, first sodium sulfide is added. The citral get converted into its sulfide salt, and the salt is crystallized out of the solution. The crystals are filtered and washed with the ether and chloroform. The product is then subjected to sodium carbonate and treatment to cover the recovered citral. What is their identification test? We are just going to identify an analysis with the help of TLC method. First of all, we are going to prepare sample preparation, which we have dissolve 1 mg citral in 1 ml of methanol. And again, we are going to prepare stationary phase of silica gel G with the help of pouring method. And we are going to take standard sample of citral, and we are going to prepare the mobile phase pure chloroform. And we are using the spot of our sample preparation onto the stationary phase, and we are going to keep the stationary phase into the mobile phase. And after reaching to 75 to 80%, yeah, you can say 3 by 4th of running the mobile phase, 3 by 4th on the stationary phase, and after that allowed to keep dry outside the mobile phase. And we are going to spray the detecting agent 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrogen solution to produce a yellow to orange color spot is found on stationary phase. The RF value will be calculated. The RF value of methanol is 0.51. So we can analyze the compound. Now, next one compound is artemisinin. In artemisinin, the synonym is also important. Xanthonica. Xanthonica is their synonym. Biological source artemisinin it is a sesquiterpenoids lactone obtained from the unexpanded flower head Artemisia annua. Family composite medicinal use. It is used in antimalarial drug. It is white crystalline powder soluble in organic solvent. Extraction method. In extraction and isolation method, the leaf are air dried, coarsely powdered. First of all, we are going to collect the leaf and we are allowed to dry under shade. And after dryness of the leaf, then we are going to convert into porous powder with the help of mortar and pestle, and extracted with the petroleum ether 40 to 60% of the amount of the dried leaf. And after that, we are going to make a paste of these leaves, and the extract is concentrated and dried and redissolved in the chloroform solution. Add acetonitrile to precipitate sugar and waxes, which is found into the coarse powder of artemisia, and allowed to keep for 30 minutes. And after that, filter and collect the filtrate and evaporate to dryness to yield the residue. The chromatographic fractions of the concentrate on the silica gel G by eluting with the chloroform with the chloroform and ethyl acetate, yielding the fraction of artemisinin. The fraction containing artemisinin could be crystallized from cyclohexane or 50% of ethanol. Now, identification and analysis. With the help of silica gel, TLC method, sample preparation, dissolve 1 mg artemisinin in 1 ml of chloroform and stationary phase silica gel G. We are going to prepare with the help of spreading method. And the standard compound, your standard sample, we are using artemisinin. The mobile phase, we are using petroleum ether and ethyl acetate in the ratio of 1:2. And detecting agent, in this case, we are using detecting agent para dimethyl amino benzaldehyde and heat at 80 degrees centigrade to produce color. The RF value of artemisia compared with the standard of artemisinin, the RF value for standard compound is 0.72. Now we would like to see some multiple choice questions regarding this chapter. Acacia catechu is obtained from. Acacia catechu is obtained from A option, aerial part of plant, heartwood, stem, and dry leaves. The answer is heartwood. There are, I have already told you during this PPT, there are of two compounds, there are two types of wood, heartwood and sapwood. The Acacia catechu is obtained from heartwood. The floral bud, which is a drug, is medicinal property. The floral bud having which kind of which plant having we are using as a the medicinal importance? The answer is clove. The astringent property have, mean to say that among all of the options, which compound having astringent property? Flavonoids, alkaloid, glycoside, and tannins. So answer is tannin. Tannin having astringent property, they can precipitate the they can cause precipitation of protein. Now, which of the following having C glycoside linkage? The answer is both C, aloe and cascara, both having C glycosides. Licorice is treated with the sulfuric acid. They give deep yellow color. Now, next one, number of isoprene unit found in monoterpenes. I have told the classification of terpenoids: hemiterpenes, monoterpenes, sesquiterpenes, diterpenes, triterpenes, tetraterpenes. So in hemiterpenes, they having one isoprene unity, means C5H8, and in monoterpenes they having two isoprene subunit. So answer is A, two subunit. TLC consists of, actually TLC consists of silica gel H without binder is called silica gel H, and answer is silica gel G. Answer is C. Gold beater skin test. Gold beater skin test is positive for option A alloy, option B senna, option C tannin, option D digitalis. Answer is C, tannins. In alloy, we will see in yesterday PPT also modified Bontrager test. In Senna, they give Bontrager test. In digitalis, they are cardiotonics, so they give a legal test, Bulgier test, Killer-Kilani test. All these tests has been given by digitalis. Which of the following drugs are the example of condensed tannin? Means among all of them options, which of the compound having example of condensed tannin? Arjuna, Arjuna, Amla, Pterocarpus, and Behra. Arjuna, Amla, Behra, they are hydrolyzable tannin. The answer is Pterocarpus. Pterocarpus and pale catechu and black catechu and Ashoka, all these are the example of condensed tannin. We have seen the classification of this plant drugs. That time we have discussed that they having Pterocarpus having condensed tannin examples. Tannins are giving acidic reactions. tannins are giving acidic reactions due to presence of acetic acid, phenol, ester, and ferric chloride. The answer is phenol. We have said initially in the definition of tannin, tannins, these are the compound having polyphenolic structure. Polyphenolic structures, that is due to that one reason they are giving acidic reactions. So the answer is phenol. So in this class, we have discussed regarding tannins. We have discussed regarding volatile oil, or you can say essential oil or ethyl oil. Apart from them, we have discussed their classification, their chemical test. Like tannins, they gives gold bitter skin test. In gold bitter skin test, they gives bluish black color. And in volatile oil, what is their property? First of all, they are giving odorous smell, odorous, and they are colorless. Practically, they are not soluble in water, but they are soluble in organic solvent and as well as alcohol. And after that, we have discussed regarding volatile oil, how we are going to extract out. Examples we have using like artemisia, and we are using mentha, piperita, all these compounds, how we are going to see their extraction, their isolation process. And apart from them, we have seen the general method of extraction, isolation by the steam distillation method, by the solvent extraction method, by enfleurage method, and the last one part by the Buselli method. So all these are the methods for extraction of volatile oil. And last one part we have discussed regarding their extraction, isolation, and identification test. And these are the questions uh, which are asked in the competitive exams also. Thank you.